Hi there, my name is Laura. I am currently a part-time blended case manager for adults with diagnosed mental health conditions, and often it is co-occurring with either alcohol or drug dependence as well. Um, as far as the DSM diagnosis experience, I don't have a lot other than the time we spend with our team psychiatrist discussing any concerns or, symptoms that our clients may show or express concern about. And, I've seen the codes that they use and, we have to write them down on some of the paperwork. But other than that, I'm pretty limited in my knowledge about the DSM-5. And then finally, my beliefs about mental health diagnoses. Um, I think that they're just way over stigmatized in this country. I think that, however, I mean, that's more the negative part of it, but I'm thankful for the resources that are available now for people that have mental health diagnoses because I think it's more common than, you know, what what's seen in the media or how it's portrayed in the media, and that it's I'm trying to think of the right word. Um, the media makes it seem a lot worse, like mental health diagnoses a lot worse than they actually are. So, personally, mental health diagnoses are so manageable, and like I said, the resources that are out there, I think, help with that. Uh, So I'm thankful that, there's so many different opportunities for people to get the help that they need that I think even a few years ago didn't really exist. So I think that it's mostly the stigma around mental health that needs to keep diminishing because, it's I think it's more normal than people think, and we just need to keep making safe spaces for people to get the help that they need.